This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your profile info on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your Facebook profile page has several components. Each consists of banner links including about, photos, timeline, friends, and more. Below the banner, your user profile features additional section detailing basic information about you, the photos you shared, friends you connected with, and the reaction post. The timeline arrange your posts and the posts you've tagged in by date. So I will open my Facebook profile first. So here's my Facebook profile. You can access your Facebook profile page by selecting your name or profile icon in the upper right corner, the small badge with your profile photos here and here. You can tap on here. When you click your profile photo from anywhere on Facebook, you'll land the page that often called your timeline. You can change the information on this page at any time by selecting Edit Profile here. You can tap on Edit Profile. The profile page encompasses both your timeline and intro section. The one on the right is your activity timeline, displaying the Facebook activity created by or featuring you. The column on the left is your intro area. So here's, you can edit like your bio, your cover photo, or your profile pictures. You can edit in here. You can also edit your details like where you live, when you join Facebook, your workplace, education, hometown, and your relationship status. You can also add links to your bio. On the button, you can see there is an option edit your about info. You can tap on that. You can tap on here and you will see there's more options to change your to edit your profile info like your work, education, place live, your contact info, your basic info like your gender, your birth date, and your language, your relationship, life event, check-ins, movies you like, and books you read. By default, the about page is divided into this. You can see like your group you joined. You can change, you can edit all of your info on here. So you can tap on edit profile. You can tap on edit your about info. So that is how to edit your profile info on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.